Stay where I can see you. Alright, cool. Come over here by this thing there. Yeah. Over here, Zell. Alright. So we're about to feed these birds. Yep, yeah we do. Hold on. Back up, back up. All in one magic tool. You gonna feed the birds? You just wait a second. Yeah. All right. Scoop the cup in there. Put the cup in the bird seed bag.
Huh?
No, in the bag. Huh? Look, dude. Give me that. Clearly, I didn't cut this one up. Now try to get it down in there. Take your time, Zell. I don't know why I bothered. I should not even have let... Wait, get your hands back. I gotta open the bag up for them. Because clearly this was a big mistake. I'm not worried about Diva. Here, you're gonna load this one up. Use no, the cup, man. Put the cup in the thing and do the thing. Alright, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna put the cup in there and hand it to you, and you dump it. Stop squeezing the cup. Alright. Nope, you do this one. That's the only one you're gonna do. I'm gonna do this big one. Because you clearly don't listen very well. Here. Put it in that one. God bless you, boy. God bless you. Stop jumping. Stop jumping. Stop jumping. You want to go back in the house? Then behave. Good job. Stop jumping. You need to stop jumping. You're getting bird food everywhere except for where it's supposed to go. Alright. This is what you're going to do. I'm going to put it in the top and you're going to put it around the bottom. Alright? No, I got this. You're going to do the bottom part. Yeah, you take it around the bottom. Put it on the bottom. Not all in one spot, buddy. Give me that cup. Give me that cup. Oh, God, you gotta love kids, man. You gotta love kids. Look, I'm gonna do the top. There's a whole lot of damn glass of space in that damn thing. We feeding the birds. Go tell the people on camera what we doing.
Camera!
I said the camera. I ain't said nothing about cameras. Look at the camera. Tell them we feeding the birds.
We feed the birds.
And tell them we gonna go to the park.
We go to the park.
And we gonna play for a little bit.
Go play.
Tell them Uncle James is crazy.
Uncle crazy.
Uncle James is a douchebag.
I'm gonna do spin.
Well, thank you.
Let's feed the birds.
No, I got this. We've already discovered that you can only do those other two. Okay, here, I'll let you put the last one in. Drop it in this hole. Drop it in the hole right there. Alright, now put that back in this bucket. Oh, nope, it ain't all in there. Put it all in there. Alright, now put the ketchup back in there. Alright. Yeah, I think we've wasted more than we needed to. Look at this door right there. It doesn't open up though. That sucks. Yeah, it's a door right there. Okay, everyone. You just seen us have a really bad adventure. Uh-oh. This thing bloody recorded?
It's recording?
I don't know. I can't see myself. Okay, still recording. Okay. Now we're going to the park. If I can find the cursor to stop this thing.